the night before rehearsal, making Trav lunch. It's Thursday. Ooh! Trav and I are rehearsing today. We are working on a new song right now. It's actually a lot harder than I thought it would be to learn. Still gonna pack up my stuff here. Just having a little bit of a quick breakfast. Yo, Tim's got nothing on this. Ooh, I know it looks really milky, but I didn't stir it. Yo, just a friendly reminder, Trav and I, we dropped a live video yesterday for Hazy. Super stoked on it. Oh yeah. Also, I just noticed on the page, ooh yeah, a little extra bonus song right there from Rehearsals if you want to check that out. Packed Trav and I a nice little lunch. Holy fuck, I'm already hungry. Woo. Here a little early, just waiting on Trav to get here. Just feeling tired today, man. Don't know what it is. Feeling kind of off. I don't know if the energy is weird. But yeah, I don't know. Some days it's a real grind, that's for sure.
Song's called Sunscreen.
Cheers, bro.
Jeez.
Yo, shout out Tash.
Bro. It's pretty good.
It's good, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Probably shouldn't be eating in here, eh? Fuck it. At the same time, staying extremely on brand with the Pockies too. Best flavor. You say it's matcha? You're wrong.
Solid set now.
Solid set. Getting the kinks out. We're almost there, baby.
Yeah, dude. Next rehearsal, we should think about costumes.
There goes Trav. Off in the cough mobile. Yo, feeling super stoked. Rehearsal was pretty good. Things are sounding nice and tight. Yeah. I feel like I had something to say and I can't remember. Yeah, I don't know. After playing, I always feel so much better. But really stoked on Trav and I. Like, been grinding really hard and I think, fuck. Trav and I have been grinding and I think the set is sounding like that. Sounds just like that. Super good. If you want us to play a show
hit us up. We don't give a fuck. We'll play your basement. We'll play your backyard. We just want to rip, man. These tunes are ready to go. And yeah, hopefully we have a song coming out really soon. I'm hoping, like, I mean, in my dream world, the song is coming out tonight. But if I'm realistic, it's probably a little teaser. We're working really hard right now. We're planning something kind of big for the end of the month that we're really excited about. We don't want to give too much away yet, but probably make an announcement next week about it. So stay tuned, coffers. Stay tuned. That was it. Disgusting. Cheers. Wow. It's fall. Can't really see anymore, I guess, but it's beautiful out. Whew, almost there. Holy fuck. Hey, cutie pie. Say hi to all the coffers.